Okay, hello. We just got continuing from where we left off last time. So this is part two of preparing your master slides, and we were on the section of doing your headers and footers. So as you notice in PowerPoint, we do not have a header, but we do have footers. There are three definitive boxes here, and they're only for a specific reason. This one here on the left hand side is your date box, date and time. This one in the middle is to enter any text you might want to give your slides, like a title slide or the name of this presentation. And this one is your slide numbers. From this point, you cannot see the slide number because it's got the code like a hashtag. When you come out of this, you will see that it's slide 1. If you want to modify these details, you would go to Insert, Header and Footer. And from here, you can see the three boxes which represent each of these. This one for the footer, this one for the slide, and obviously this first one for the date. Now these will not show because it's still very clear white. When I click on the date and time checkbox here, this goes black, turns black, which indicates that the date and time will show on your slides. Just remember to choose the country you are in. We are in the UK, so we will choose the UK calendar, and we use the month first, date first, and then the month, and then the year. If you are using United States, obviously you've got the month first, then the date, and then the year. And that's not right for the UK. You can have it to be updated automatically so that every time you open the slides, the date will automatically update. If you do not wish it to update automatically, click on Fixed. I am going to leave you updated automatically. Next is the slide number. Check the box for the slide number, and the box has turned black, indicating slide number will show. The footer. In here, sometimes if you're doing coursework, essays, you may need to enter your center number, whatever this might be. Then you might enter your candidate number. And then you may also need your name in default. Now with these three boxes, that will show on every single slide. And just to make sure that it is going to, you click on Apply to All. If you do not want these details to show on your first title slide, then you would go to tick this box and say do not show on the title slide. Apply to all, or just apply for now. You've got two options here. You've got the header and footer for the slides, and then you've got the header and footer for notes and handouts. This header and footer for the notes and handouts is completely different from the slides itself. We close this, and we are ready to now start entering details into our slide master. You can save your PowerPoint presentation from this point if you want to. If you need to change anything else, like make this italic, make that one underlined, just to show you the difference. You can change the font color. Make that one bold now. Anything else you would like to format, you would do it from here. You can click on Slide Master and click Close Master View. It's important to save your PowerPoint. Now, if you are going to use this formatting slide that we have created just now for your future slides, then it is a good idea to save this as a template. To save a PowerPoint slide as a template, you would go to File, Save As, where you want to save it. So I'm just going to put it in my practice folder. And then I'm going to choose the type. So let's just say testing here. And then here, instead of having a PowerPoint presentation, click on the arrow and you are going to choose a template, a PowerPoint template with the extension of POTX. When you save it, this will go directly in a default folder, which is in the custom office templates. When you click save, this is now saved as a PowerPoint template, which cannot be edited. You should not use it at this point. You would need to close the template because we've still got POTX. So we close it and we will reopen it, and then it will open as a PowerPoint presentation. So when you open a saved template, open, you've got new. Now when you create your own templates, they do not go in the office folder, they will go under the personal section. So this is the one I just created. If you have not created any templates yourself, you will not see this personal option. You'll only get the personal option once you have saved your first template, which I have done here. If I click on this, I can double click or single click and then choose create. And now this is a PowerPoint presentation, which means I can start entering data into here. And you can see the formatting I have applied is taking place. If you need a new slide, click on new slide. And the first slide you always have in a PowerPoint presentation is a title slide. The next one is a title and content. Enter some details here. Not background, get the spelling correct. And you can see my personalized bullets here, which is the PP. And these you can move. If you place your cursor here, you can press the tab key or use these to increase or decrease your bullets. So if I press the tab key, that is demoting the bullet. And if I press the left key here, which is the decrease, it promotes it. So the higher to the line here is a promotion, and moving to the right is a demotion. Okay? I hope that helps.